GOOVI BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful suction and smart control for a clean home. The GOOVI BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a smart and efficient cleaning solution designed to simplify your daily chores. With its powerful 6,000 pascal suction, 3-in-1 cleaning capabilities, and smart home connectivity, this robot vacuum offers a convenient and effective way to maintain a clean home. Key features: 6,000 pascal strong suction. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, the GOOVI BR151 delivers exceptional suction power, effectively removing dirt, dust, and debris from various floor surfaces. 3-in-1 cleaning. This versatile robot combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping functionalities, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home. Smart app control. Connect the robot to your Wi-Fi network and control it remotely using the TUYA app. Schedule cleaning sessions, monitor progress, and adjust settings from your smartphone. Voice control compatibility. The GOOVI BR151 is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control it with simple voice commands. Long runtime and large cleaning area. The 2,500 mAh battery provides up to 120 minutes of runtime, allowing the robot to clean areas up to 200 square meters on a single charge. Multiple cleaning modes. Choose from various cleaning modes, including auto, edge, spot, and zigzag, to customize your cleaning sessions. Anti-collision and anti-drop sensors. The robot is equipped with sensors to prevent collisions with furniture and falls from stairs, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Automatic charging. When the battery is low, the robot automatically returns to its charging station to recharge. Slim design. With a height of only 74 millimeters, the GOOVI BR151 can easily navigate under furniture and reach tight spaces. Specifications. Product size: 300 by 300 by 74 millimeters. Voltage: 25 W. Dustbin capacity: 200 milliliters. Water tank capacity: 230 milliliters. Cleaning functions: sweeping, mopping, vacuuming. Runtime: about 120 minutes. Obstacle crossing ability: 15 millimeters. Cleaning area: 200 m square. Material: ABS. Suction power: 6,000 pascals. Battery capacity: 2,500 mAh. Side brushes: 2 PCS. Connectivity: TUYA app /2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Charging time: 4.5 hours. Package contents: GOOVI BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Charging station. Remote control. Adapter. Cleaning brush. Filter. Side brushes. Mop. Benefits: powerful suction for thorough cleaning. Versatile 3-in-1 cleaning capabilities. Smart app and voice control for convenient operation. Long runtime and large cleaning area. Safety features to prevent collisions and falls. Automatic charging for hassle-free maintenance. Overall, the GOOVI BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient cleaning solution that combines powerful suction, smart features, and versatile cleaning capabilities. It offers a convenient and effective way to keep your home clean and tidy with minimal effort.